Imagine this. You grab a projector the size of a lunchbox, flip it open on your coffee table, and boom, a massive razor-sharp 4K picture explodes across the wall that's brighter and punchier than most TVs twice its price. No bulky setup, no permanent spot in your living room. Just pure grab-and-go movie magic. This thing is an absolute game-changer for anyone who's tired of being chained to a big screen. Mind-blowing portability meets serious performance. If you've been hunting for that perfect hybrid between a portable projector and a real home cinema beast, you're going to want to stick around for this one. If you're new here and love honest tech talk that actually helps you decide what to buy, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. It really helps the channel and lets me keep bringing you these deep dives. All right, let's talk about this Xgimi Elfin Flip 4K. I've tested a ton of projectors over the years, from tiny battery-powered ones that struggle in anything but total darkness to massive home cinema rigs that need their own dedicated room. This little guy sits right in that sweet spot I've been waiting for. It's compact enough to toss in a backpack, bright enough to actually use during the day, and it finally brings real 4K resolution to Xgimi's super portable lineup. Right out of the box, the design just clicks. It's this sleek gunmetal gray square slab with an integrated base that doubles as a carry handle. When it's folded shut, it looks almost like a fancy tech accessory rather than a projector. At under 1.6 kilograms, about 3.4 pounds, you can seriously carry it one-handed. The power brick is tiny, like a phone charger, so throwing it in your bag for a friend's house or even a weekend trip feels effortless. I've used this thing on coffee tables, kitchen counters, patio furniture, even tilted up project on the ceiling while I was chilling in bed. The base gives you 150 degrees of smooth angle adjustment that locks in place nicely. Just be careful if you've got cables plugged in kids or pets running around. It can tip a bit easier than a heavier unit, but there's a standard tripod thread underneath if you want to secure it. Front, rear, tabletop, ceiling, pretty much any setup you can dream up, it handles. Setting it up, ridiculously easy. Faster than my actual 4K TV that arrived the same week. It fires up, does autofocus, auto keystone, and even has smart optical detection that works surprisingly well. I only ran into issues with really crazy angles or walls covered in picture frames. Pair the remote, connect to Wi-Fi, log into Google, and you're watching stuff in minutes. No screwing in legs, no calibration nightmare. Now the features. For something this portable, the connectivity is legit impressive. 2 HDMI ports on the back, one with eARC, so you can hook up a game console and a streaming box without constantly swapping cables. It supports VRR and ALLM, which is gamer talk for smoother gameplay with less lag. You can even drop to 1080p to hit 120 Hz if you want that extra responsiveness. I tried some fast-paced games, and the input lag at 1080p is basically imperceptible. At 4K, it's still totally playable. There's even a virtual crosshair and black level booster for gaming. Nice touches. 2 USB-A ports or external drives, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and built-in Google TV that feels snappy and modern. Most major streaming apps are right there or one download away from the Play Store. Casting from your phone works great via Google Cast. No AirPlay for Apple users, which is a small bummer, but not a deal breaker for most. The built-in 7 watts Harman Kardon speaker is better than I expected. It gets loud enough to fill a medium room. Vocals are clear, and it drowns out the quiet fan noise in normal modes. Bass isn't booming, obviously, but it doesn't sound tinny or hollow for casual viewing. For a spontaneous movie night with friends, it absolutely gets the job done. Of course, you can hook up a soundbar through HDMI eARC if you want that theater rumble. One thing that stood out, there's no battery. For a projector this portable, that actually feels a little weird at first. You do have to plug it in. The cable isn't super long either. If you want true wireless freedom for camping or the backyard, Xgimi's Mogo series is still better for that. But the Elfin Flip 4K trades a battery for way better brightness and 4K resolution. So it's a fair compromise depending on how you use it. The remote, I'm mixed on it. It's functional with backlit buttons for the important stuff and direct shortcuts to Netflix, Prime, and YouTube. Voice control works well, but it looks a bit mismatched color-wise and has a live TV button. That's just a customizable shortcut. Minor nitpick, but it feels like it came from a different product line. Here's where this projector really shines. The picture. Triple laser light source pumping out 1,600 lumens with 0.39-inch DLP chip. It can throw up to a 200-inch 4K image. In real-world testing, I was shocked how good it looked during the day. In my home office with blinds halfway open, a 45-inch image from just 3 feet away stayed rich and vibrant. Tilted to the ceiling for a 115-inch picture, and it's still totally watchable without blacking out the room. At night, the darker scenes and shows pop nicely thanks to the dynamic black level enhancer. HDR10 and HLG are supported, no Dolby Vision. And while contrast isn't quite as deep as premium home cinema projectors, big action moments like the canyon runs in Top Gun Maverick look spectacular. Colors in movie mode feel natural and nuanced. The rainbow effect that bugs some DLP projectors? Barely noticeable here. Compared side by side with the 1080p version, the 4K upgrade is absolutely worth it. Sharper details, cleaner lines, especially on bigger screens. You really notice it in textures, hair, and fine background elements. Pros in my book. That bright, clean, colorful 4K picture punches way above its size. Google TV is slick and reliable. The ports make it genuinely useful for gaming and proper home audio setups. And the whole grab-and-go design is fantastic. Cons. No battery on such a portable device feels like a missed opportunity. And yeah, that remote could match better. So, here we are in 2026. Is this Xgimi Elfin Flip 4K still a smart buy? Absolutely. If you want exactly what it delivers, at around $999, it sits in a really competitive spot. More capable than cheaper 1080p portables, but way more practical than bigger, pricier 4K home cinema models that you'd never move. It's not the absolute brightest option for daylight viewing if you have a very sunny room, and bigger rivals might give you a more adjustable stand or louder speakers. But for most people who want something easy to move between rooms, take on trips, or just avoid mounting a TV on the wall, this thing delivers. The combination of portability, legitimate 4K brightness, and smart features makes it feel like the sweet spot in the current market. If your main priority is true battery-powered freedom, look at the Mogo line. If you want maximum brightness and don't care about size, there are bigger options from other brands. But if you're after that perfect balance I described at the start, the Elfin Flip 4K is hard to beat. What do you think? Have you been waiting for a projector like this? Drop a comment below with your biggest projector pain point, or what you're currently using. I read every single one. If you enjoyed this review and want more no BS recommendations on projectors, TVs, and tech that actually matters, hit subscribe and the bell. It supports the channel and helps me bring you more of these. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.